Oh, bugger.
Oopsie.
Thank you.
And how long?
No, don't do that. That's really not a good question.
He's really not moving.
Slow but sure, John. Not to salute yourself.
Are those ginger nuts?
Oh, God.
Love ginger nuts.
You just like this dog, don't you?
Well, I like you.
He's still not moving.
I need a gate!
You've just solved one by harpooning a dead pig, apparently.
That was this morning.
Could you put something on, please? Anything at all? Napkin.
That was right on my bins.
Sherlock Holmes in a drug den. How's that going to look?
I'm undercover.
No, you're not.
Well, I'm not now!
You wearing any pants?
No.
Okay.
Part two is more action-based.
Shut up, Mrs. Hudson.
Mycroft!
All right about you. You're a bloody psychopath.
High-functioning sociopath. With your number.
Dear Mr. Sherlock Holmes, I can't find Bluebell anywhere. Please, 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 can you help?
Bluebell?
A rabbit, John. Ah, but there's more. Before Bluebell disappeared, it turned luminous, like a fairy, according to little Kirsty. Then the next morning, Bluebell was gone. Hutch still locked. No sign of a forced entry. What am I saying? This is brilliant. Phone Lestrade. Tell him there's an escaped rabbit.
You serious?
Severed head.
Just tea for me, thanks.
No, there's a head in the fridge.
So we can read her emails, so what?
Anderson, don't talk out loud. You lower the IQ of the whole street.
Whoops!
What the hell are you doing?
What? Bored. No.
Let's hope you solve your little problem, Greg.
You there?
Cup of tea!
This is a matter of national importance. Grow up.
Get off my sheet.
Buddy.
Thank you.
Come.
No, you're not a vegetable.